Bitcoin mining websites that pay. Glad to see you on our YouTube channel. Here we have a bunch of series of best online earning sources, reliable all the time. You can be able to find the best online earning source according to your taste by watching our list, and this will surely reduce your efforts of searching for the best place to cache your content. This platform provides you with an amazing collection of digital earning resources. Adorer of wealth and admirer of adventures, always look forward to the best collection of easy and reliable online resources. On our YouTube channel, you'll be able to select the best one according to your taste. Bitcoin is basically the type of cryptocurrency you cannot touch and feel it physically. This is basically a digital currency that can be sent to any person without the involvement of any third party. Now, people are discovering ways to earn Bitcoin. Now, the earning traditions are changing with the innovation of the market, as we can observe that only in past few years the value of Bitcoins went into the millions. This revolutes the whole digital industry. It attracts the attention of many people and even agencies. People get Bitcoins from various methods, and they earn a lot from it. Here we have a list of those apps which can provide you with the facility to access the Bitcoin and help out in earning via them. On number 6, we have BFGMiner. We have observed the many people who are connected with this Bitcoin mining app. All of them show very positive response, and they describe that this is such a legit app that pay on your services. Basically, the average payout rate is 0.01 LTC. But this is a boundary on joining each pool. I know a person who has made $2,500 in the last 2 months. Joining this app is very simple. By simply opening it, you just need to click on the setup button, then on the LTC public address. After that, you're needed to join a pool and make your own rig by knowing some of its basic and a little bit of experience. You can be able to make a suitable amount of regular basis with this legit mining app. I know many people who are making a sensible amount here, and in this way is a proper source of earning. On number 5, we have Coinbase. This is such a legit app for mining Bitcoin. You'll be able to make money via this app. You're needed to watch videos of cryptocurrencies and perform short quizzes. And if you perform well, then you'll get a reward from this site. This is such a very simple way of earning, and it is easy to understand. You can be able to get a reward for solving the quizzes and watching videos. You can be able to make a suitable amount from this app. This is totally free from any scam and fraudulent feature because it's headquartered in the well-reputed city of San Francisco, and its investors are such famous personalities of the USA. So it is such a surety that this is enabled to run away with the wealth of the people. You can surely start working on it, and I think all of your doubts might be vanished now. On number 4, we have BFGMiner. This is such a legit app for mining cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. On the window, this is a graphical application of mining Bitcoin. People are making a handsome amount with this app by just simply joining and doing little tasks on it. You can be able to earn suitable here by winning the rewards and gift cards, also by PayPal. You can be redeemed into your account very easily. People are connected with this app in a very huge amount, and you can also be a part of this app by just simply setting up your profile here. There are basically many apps, but this is also in the race of them, which will be able to enable you to earn a suitable amount via digital methods. Opportunities for people throughout the globe are wildly present here. You'll be able to make a suitable amount here by just having the basic idea of mining Bitcoin. On number 3, we have BFGMiner. This is also a very legit platform for mining the cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. You can never face any type of trouble here, and you can safely start your mining, and in the reward, you'll be able to make a suitable amount via this source. By making surveys and doing the little tasks assigned by the companies and people, you'll be able to get a reward in this way. You'll get points in the reward of these tasks, and if your services went well, then you'll get the gift cards and a reward that will also enhance your earning. On number 2, we have Cryptex. This is such a legit way of mining cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. This is such an amazing app that enables you to earn a suitable amount by simply mining the Bitcoins. Here you're supposed to do different tasks assigned by the different people. By watching the videos regarding the cryptocurrencies, you can be able to make points, and you'll be paid in Bitcoins or Ruble. It's up to you, according to your choice. We personally know many people who are associated with this app, and now they're making a handsome amount here by just performing little tasks and videos assigned by the companies and people. You can easily earn $50 here if you pay proper attention here. This is such a suitable amount for those who are unaware of the online earning resources. On number 1, we have BFGMiner. This software comes with the existence of FPGA ASIC hardware of mining. So, if the presence of these mining helpers, you can be able to get desired results in the low efforts and risks. With a lot of features, you'll be able to mine various cryptocurrencies at the same time. This is such an amazing source of mining that intrigues the people towards the importance of this trend, cryptocurrency. You can be able to get the desired result if you have the right for the task. I have observed the best apps for the mining of Bitcoin, and I found this app as one of the best mining apps for the beginners and for those who have some basic idea. This information will serve as a guide for you if you're looking for online earning sources. After that information, you'll surely be able to select the right platform for you, which is according to your taste, and it needs minimum efforts from your side. Now you can be able to get the best choice for you, which can be most suitable to you. This will surely such a plus point for you over those who are totally blind to this awareness. As per our information, you have got your desired information regarding the best online earning sources on the internet. Please subscribe, share, and like our YouTube channel to get more informative videos like this. In order to get notifications of our further informative videos, press the bell icon. In this way, you will stay in connect with us.